Hi, I'm Jeremy Sylvester from loopwax.com and Urban Dubs Music. Today, we're going to build a 10-minute track using Says Soulful Bundle sample pack, which is available on loopwax.com. Anybody who knows about Says, he's one of London's underground heroes. Big producer, recorded under the names of Truu Colours, works for Defected, Ministry of Sound, EDM.com, Soul Heaven, Triumph Seamless, BlackSoul, and many other pseudonyms. He was head A&R manager for Soul Heaven Records as well. Okay, so we're going to get this going with a 10-minute track. Right now, just using Ableton. I've set the tempo at 126 BPM. At the moment, I've got an audio track, a MIDI track, and 2 MIDI tracks. I've got the pack already laid out here in the file window. So we're just going to get cracking on now, okay? So first, I'm just going to try and find a beat. Okay, so I'm going to get a MIDI track. I'm going to get one of these instruments, the simpler instrument, and then I'm going to pop some one-shots in there and just have a play around and see what we come up with. Right, going to use that. That's the Rhodes 90s. Still going to drop some effects on there. I think I'm going to drop a reverb just to give it some wetness. Okay, so let's play around with this. Okay, let's pop that in. All right, that sounds pretty cool. Going to highlight the notes, quantize them up. At the moment, I've set the quantize settings are 16T, just to give it a little swing. Just move some of these notes a little bit. All right, so let's roll with that. The next one, we're going to find a bass, and we're going to mimic that chord pattern. So we're going to go into instruments. We're going to go into the simpler instruments. We're going to drop that into the MIDI track, and then we're going to find a bass sound from the pack. I recognize there's a couple of nice little basses there we can use. Oh, let's go into the one shots. Have a quick look through these quickly. No, okay, let's go back into the bass again and see. Let's go with that and see let's play around with that. Right, so we're just gonna basically duplicate the chord riff into the bass channel. We'll just get the right pitch, adjust the transpose a little bit. Just detune it a little bit. Oh, quite like that disco bass here. Alright, that's pretty cool. On here, on the chord track, we're going to add a little filter on there so we can adjust that in the arrangement. So we're going to go into audio effects and we're going to go into filter delay. Sorry, not filter delay. We're going to go into auto filter. Alright, so next track, make sure you save it. Next track, we're going to go into MIDI track. We're going to go into MIDI instrument again. We're going to drop a simpler in there again. And then we're going to just try and find a little vocal snippet we can use in this. Let's have a look at some of the vocals.
In my heart, they already know. Call me, then it's only on it. Then it's only on it.
Let's have a play around with that.
Then it's only on. Then it's only on it. 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 Then it's only on it.
Alright, let's plop that in. 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's roll with that. Let's go into the edit it a little bit, get it tight. Highlight all the notes, quantize it. Alright, also we're going to find just another extra sound we can just layer on top throughout the little arrangement. So go into the MIDI track again, we're going to grab the instruments, we're going to go into simpler, we're going to go back into the folder where all the sounds are. We're going to have a look around and see what other sounds we can use within that. So I'm just going to play the track. Actually, let's have a look first. Chords. Let's have a look at some of these hits. That sounds quite nice. That's quite nice. Delete the automation there by accident. Okay, let's go into the track. Get rid of a little blip there. Let's highlight the notes. Let's quantize it again. Right, okay, so now we're going to go into the arrange window. We're going to maybe start with some beats first, maybe. Let's have a look and see. So let's stop all these ones here first. And unarm that one, stop that one. So, right, we're going to start recording now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so I'm just going to... All right, so there we have it. A quick 10 minutes or so track. We may have went over a little bit, but you know, that's the general gist of it anyway. And there we have it, just a quick 10 minutes or so track using Says bumpy Soulful House bundle sample pack available on loopwax.com. So go cop it. Absolutely wicked pack. It's got loads of elements in there. It has one shots, construction kits, drum loops, bass sounds, effects, loops, the whole shebang. Go check it out. Peace.